Welcome back. Today we're diving into the best sewing machines for home use in 2026, from beginner-friendly models to powerful all-around machines you can buy right now. All the product links are in the video description, so check them out before you shop. Starting at number 1. Brother HC1850. The Brother HC1850 sewing and quilting machine is a versatile and user-friendly option designed for both beginners and experienced crafters. It features 185 built-in stitches, including decorative, quilting, and heirloom styles, allowing for a wide range of creative projects. The machine comes with an easy-to-read LCD display that simplifies stitch selection and adjustments, making operation smooth and convenient. With 8 included sewing feet, users can handle various tasks such as quilting, buttonholes, zippers, and more with precision. Lightweight yet durable, the HC1850 is perfect for everyday sewing as well as detailed quilting work, offering reliability, flexibility, and excellent performance in one compact machine. Number 2. Brother CS5055. The Brother CS5055 computerized sewing machine is a reliable and beginner-friendly option that combines ease of use with versatile functionality. It features 60 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and heirloom options, along with 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes for professional-looking results. The clear LCD display allows for simple stitch selection and adjustments, making it convenient for users of all skill levels. Designed with an automatic needle threading system, jam-resistant drop-in bobbin, and a bright LED-lit work area, it ensures smooth and efficient sewing. With 7 included presser feet and a durable metal frame, this machine can handle a variety of projects, from basic repairs to quilting, while remaining lightweight and easy to operate. Number 3. JUKI HCLF300. The JUKI HCLF300 sewing and quilting machine is a high-performance computerized machine designed for both advanced sewing and detailed quilting projects. It offers 106 built-in stitch patterns, including decorative stitches, quilting designs, 16 professional buttonholes, and multiple lettering fonts, giving users a wide range of creative possibilities. Built with JUKI's industrial sewing technology, it delivers smooth, precise stitching and powerful fabric feeding, allowing it to handle both lightweight and heavy materials with ease. The machine features an easy-to-use LCD display for stitch selection, automatic needle threading, thread trimming functions, and a drop-in bobbin system for convenience. With additional features like speed control, free motion quilting capability, and pattern memory storage, the HCLF300 provides excellent control, durability, and versatility for serious sewing enthusiasts and quilters. Number 4. Singer Quantum Stylist 9960. The Singer Quantum Stylist 9960 computerized sewing and quilting machine is a feature-rich and advanced sewing machine designed for both creative enthusiasts and experienced users. It comes with an impressive 600 built-in stitches, including decorative, stretch, and quilting stitches, along with built-in lettering options that allow you to personalize projects easily. Equipped with a clear LCD display, the machine enables simple stitch selection and customization, while automatic features such as a built-in needle threader, thread cutter, and one-step buttonhole function enhance convenience and efficiency. Its durable metal frame ensures stability and long-lasting performance, and the included extension table provides extra workspace for quilting and larger projects. With a wide range of accessories, a hard protective case, and bright LED lighting for better visibility, the Quantum Stylist 9960 delivers powerful performance, versatility, and precision for a variety of sewing tasks. Number 5. Brother SE700. The Brother SE700 sewing and embroidery machine is a versatile computerized combo machine designed for both sewing and embroidery enthusiasts. It features 135 built-in embroidery designs and 103 built-in sewing stitches, along with multiple embroidery fonts and one-step buttonhole styles, offering plenty of creative flexibility for custom projects. The machine includes a 4" by 4" embroidery hoop area, making it suitable for small to medium-sized designs, while the large 3.7" color touchscreen display allows easy on-screen editing and stitch selection. With wireless LAN connectivity, users can transfer designs directly from a computer or mobile app without needing a USB, adding modern convenience to the workflow. It also comes with 8 included presser feet, an automatic needle threading system, and a jam-resistant drop-in bobbin, making it user-friendly and efficient for both beginners and experienced users looking to combine sewing and embroidery in one compact machine. That's a wrap on our top home sewing machine picks for 2026. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more gear guides. Don't forget, all product links are in the description below to make your purchase easy.